Android, will you join me? Hello everyone, and welcome back. My name is Jeffy, and this is my best friend, Android the Chihuahua. Thanks, little guy. Aw, he wishes he was taller, but I can't carry him through the whole video. Teeny bun. So today we're going to be working on a project to try and inspire more redbirds in my yard. You may have asked yourself this question before: how do I attract more cardinals? And today we are going to find the answer. So step one might seem a little bit obvious, but think about your location. Do you live in an area where there even are any cardinals? If you live in Africa, this video will do you no good. None. Step number two. You're going to want to work out how to feed these birds, because the number one attraction for wildlife, of course, is going to be food. But cardinals are a little bit more specific about the way that they want their setup so that they can eat comfortably. I ended up finding this on Amazon, and I'm beyond in love with it because it has a solar power thingy at the top, and at nighttime this whole thing glows and the seeds go down the inside of it. So even when it's full of seeds, it'll still glow. This had incredible reviews on Amazon, so I had to get one, and I'm really impressed with it so far, so I'm glad I got it. This is a perfect bird feeder for a cardinal because it's large enough for them to have a good spot to sit on. They're also going to be feeding facing forward on this one, and they really prefer that. They won't use ones where they're sitting sideways trying to bend over to eat. They have to be able to face forward. Cardinals will eat a lot of different fruits and little seeds, but the easiest way to find a good one for them is to just go for the cardinal blend. I could list off to you all the different types of seeds the internet told me they would love, but the easiest way to go about giving them everything in one package is just simply buy the cardinal blend. Alright, so to hang my bird feeder, I just used 2 zip ties. I'm hoping that's strong enough. Boom, there we have it. That looks so good. I love it. I think I'll love it even more when it's dark out and I can see all those beautiful colors light up. This is the perfect placement for our bird feeder because cardinals really like to have cover from other birds, and so they do prefer that you put it somewhere where it's under the cover of something. All right, once your bird feeder's in place, the next thing you're going to want to worry about is some water. A great way to go about this is, of course, bird feeders, but you're going to want to change those out regularly. Luckily, I live right next to a lake and there's rivers everywhere. I'm going to go ahead and call it good on water for my birds here. If you don't live by a water source, just a regular bird bath works. Because cardinals don't like regular bird houses, a great way to go about adding some shelter for them is just to simply add some more trees and shrubs. Once you have your food, your shelter, and your water in place, you should begin to attract more cardinals. Cardinals stay here year-round, which is incredible because you're putting out all this work. You want to keep seeing the beautiful little redbirds. But the thing you need to do is keep everything full all the time. You need them to rely on you. Well, you don't need them to rely on you, but it's nice when they do because then they keep coming back consistently. They'll make their homes in your backyard and they really won't go very far. Every time you come outside, you'll see a horde of beautiful red birds. I already have some in this area. I'm really excited to see how many more I get with this new setup. I really think that this is going to be the hot spot for cardinals in this neighborhood. Well, thank you guys so much for joining me for this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and subscribe for more fun content just like this one. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.